Welcome to a new portrait in our garden. Today we focus on a tree that embodies quiet nobility and a touch of mountain magic, the Korean Fir or Abies Koreana. In the world of evergreens, few can match its structural elegance and the almost ethereal light it reflects. It is a tree that doesn't just grow, it composes the space around it. Welcome to Garden Portraits. Look closely at the needles of the Korean Fir. They are short, blunt and strikingly jewel-toned. On top, a rich, deep emerald, but underneath, two brilliant white stomatal bands that shimmer like frosted silver when the wind catches the branches. Even on the greyest winter afternoon, the Korean fir holds the light and refuses to fade. The true hallmark of the Korean fir, however, is its cones. Unlike many conifers where the fruit hangs low, these stand perfectly upright like jewel-like candles. Cast in shades of violet, amethyst and midnight blue, these sapphire cones make the Korean fir look like a living piece of botanical art, a regal presence in any season. What makes the Korean fir so perfect for a personal sanctuary is its patience. It is a slow-growing soul, maintaining a neat pyramidal form without the need for constant intervention. It doesn't rush, it simply matures into a stately presence. Hailing from the ancient peaks of Jeju Island, it is exceptionally cold-hardy, standing resilient against the frost. To truly appreciate the beauty of the Korean fir, place it where the low winter sun can illuminate those silver undersides. It asks for little: cool, moist soil and protection from the harshest winds. In return, the Korean fir offers a year-round structure and a scent that is pure, forest crisp and deeply grounding. In the end, the Korean fir is more than just a conifer. It is a living sculpture. A reminder that resilience can be delicate and that true beauty often lies in the smallest silver-lined details. Thank you for spending these few minutes in the garden with me, admiring this remarkable portrait.